Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce reports and dashboards for sales managers, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Salesforce reports and dashboards for sales managers, begin by logging into your Salesforce account.
Navigate to the app launcher in the upper left corner.
Type reports in the search bar and select the reports option.
In the Reports tab, click on the New Report button. Choose the type of report you want to create based on your sales data requirements. Once selected, click Continue to proceed. Utilize the drag-and-drop interface to add fields relevant to your report.
Be sure to include critical metrics such as sales by representative, product performance, and closing rates.
After arranging your fields, use the Filters panel to refine your data.
Set filters according to your preferred date ranges or specific sales teams. Once the report is customized to your liking, click Save and Run to generate the report.
After reviewing the report, return to the Reports tab. To create a dashboard, click on the Dashboards tab next. Select the New Dashboard button to start building your dashboard. Give your dashboard an appropriate name that reflects its purpose. Choose a layout that suits the number of components you wish to add. Click on Add Component to include elements from your reports. Select the report you created earlier from the list. Customize the component by adjusting the display type, such as chart or gauge. Once satisfied, click Add to integrate it into your dashboard. Continue adding components for different reports to provide a comprehensive view.
After all components are added, click Save in the top right corner. You can now share your dashboard with your sales managers. To do this, adjust the sharing settings to include necessary team members. Finally, encourage your team to provide feedback for continuous improvement. Your Salesforce reports and dashboards are now set up for your sales managers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.